Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. If you are new here, my name is Jaleesa. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I promise I won't get on your nerves. I won't do it intentionally. Okay, I promise. But today is Thursday, January the 9th. I'm on my way to work like always. But it's a little something about today. We're supposed to have a snowstorm. And I'm from Birmingham, Alabama. And I don't know if you know, but if we get an inch of snow, we shutting this shit down. Okay? We shutting it down. Hold on, I'm trying to fix y'all. Okay. We shutting it down. So it's a possibility I might have to spend the night at work. But here's the thing. I work at a hospital where I'm asleep. Yeah, I ain't even brought me no pillow. I forgot a pillow. But another thing is, it's supposed to snow. Road's supposed to be bad, right? It's supposed to melt. Then it's supposed to refreeze. So the road gonna be bad Saturday. So when the hell am I gonna go home? Because I don't get out till 7 o'clock at night. I'm not staying at my job over the weekend. And I ain't getting paid. It's y'all. They bugging. They bugging. They bugging. I know y'all people up north. I know. Y'all laughing at us, but baby, I do not know how to drive in snow. So we'll see. My mama like, it ain't supposed to start snowing till 12 o'clock. How am I gonna get to work? That's the thing. It ain't getting home, it's getting to work. And I'm in the work group that has to come to work. Like, I'm an essential employee. I have to be there. And I can't get started. I got a second job. I can't just not show up for them. Man, I'm stressed. I just need to pray. That's what I need to do with time. I need to pray. Because this is ridiculous. And I'm in a small car. I'm in a Nissan Sentra. Bro. So if it's some on the ground, I should have went there. I got a half tank gas, but I should have went ahead and filled myself back up. Oh, on my lunch, I'm gonna probably come down here to the Circle K, give me some snacks. Yeah. I know one of my coworkers is spending the night. I might stay with her. Because if I go home, I'm not coming back. I don't care. Y'all write me up. I did pack. Like, I got some pajamas And I got some pajamas, and I got another pair of scrubs, and then I just bought some little essential stuff. I need some toothpaste. I gotta get some toothpaste. So I'll probably get that from CVS. CVS over here is high. I don't even like where I'ma sleep at though. That's the thing. I only got a blanket. I'm stressed, y'all. I'm stressed. We'll figure it out. God is on our side. We'll figure it out. He'll work it out for me. But something in my soul is telling me to spend the night at work. Something in my soul is telling me to spend the night. I mean, that'd be good content for y'all. But yeah, I need to be cutting down trees and shit. Y'all need to be putting some. It's ice already all over the road. Oh, and it's like when I left this morning, y'all, it was 21 degrees. 21. If you don't need to come to the ER, don't. If you not critically injured, don't bring your ass to the ER. Call your doctor Monday. Don't be out here trying to drive and stuff, talking about you got a truck. That don't mean nothing. Shoot. Oh, that's ain't no parking. They gonna get their car towed. Push come to shove, I come out here and sleep in my car. I got me a blanket. Y'all, I got a confession though. I did bring my fire stick. I should have brought my projector too. That's what I should have did, but I didn't. I just brought my fire stick. I hope I got somewhere to park. Ooh, he's swinging that Tahoe. I'm assuming that. Let me see. I'm still go right here and see. Did I dismiss that? Ooh. Oh, there ain't no parking. Ooh, what are you doing? What you doing? Hey. Yeah. I pray I don't have to park up too high because I'm gonna have to walk to the car to get my stuff. And then, y'all, it's cold. I know y'all people up north, y'all used to it, but I'm not. Baby, he done made him a park spot. You can't do that. I'm gonna booted your car. I'm not used to this cold weather. It ain't no parking. It's no parking. And I'm so sick of this. This is the second day. And I know it ain't no parking in the other, See, if they would have scooted over, somebody could have got right there. But now, oh, Jesus, be with me. Today is going to be a great day. We are going to be okay. Everything is going to be okay. I am going to find a parking spot in the name of Jesus. And I am not going to be late parking in the name of Jesus. I wonder if they'll let me go home early tomorrow if I stay. What are y'all doing? Whoever this is does not know how to drive. I ain't got, what time is it? Y'all, I got 8 minutes to clock in. 8. Make sure I ain't got no car now. I ain't got no money to pay for it. Not finna play with y'all. Not finna play with y'all. We gonna go this way. In the name of Jesus. Because he act like he don't, whoever that is, he act like he don't know how to drive. So ain't nobody finna be playing with people's children today. And they still sitting there. Like he backing up like he ain't, that man made him park spot. He backing up like, ooh, baby. Ain't no parking. Love. There's nowhere for me to park. I am pissed. And here's why I'm pissed. Because we are paying for parking and y'all don't have enough parking for everybody. I'm paying for parking. And I know the other deck don't have no parking. It'll be nice to get into that deck though because it's connected to the building. I don't want to park over there. Parking, but I don't want to have to walk up. I don't want to really be in the hill, on the hill for real. In this way. Oh Lord. I know it ain't no parking in here. Man. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to. I'm sorry. Pay attention. I shouldn't be going through all of this trying to find parking, and I'm paying for parking. Like don't nobody even like working here like that. Baby, it ain't no parking in here. If this car get a parking spot before me, I'm gonna be pissed because they just jumped in front of me. If they want to park like no. Ooh. I'm gonna park across the street, bro. Look. And you finna go back there? You crazy as hell. Excuse me. Not finna stress myself out. I know parking. right on across the street. Raise my blood pressure. No parking. It's flat over there anyway, so if I do need to skedaddle, I can just, I don't need to be in this parking deck anyway. You right, Lord. You right. I ain't got no gloves, cause I would have shown love to throw a couple. Baby, it ain't no parking. You swoop on up in there and you want to. It ain't no problem. Right down here. Man, I need me a friend that stay around here. That's what I need. I ain't finna be walking up and down these hills anyway, trying to get to no car. It's parked up here. Sure live in the park. Right here. Up in here. They stand outside like it's the summertime. Shoot. What time is it? Luckily, I get a 5-minute grace period. It's 10:28. I'm supposed to be at work at 10:30. Baby, you're going to have to move it. We ain't got time for all that. Y'all be creepy. Ooh, they're going to go right there. Ah! Bro, pay attention in that long ass shit. Ooh. Look at the Lloyd. Right here in the front. I ain't paying for shit. I already paid for parking. Kiss my ass. Alright, y'all. I will catch up with y'all later. I apologize for all the cussing and stuff. I'll catch up with y'all later. Alright, y'all. It is 10:32. I'm about to get in the bed. I had to stay over for work, as I told y'all earlier. And I'm on an air mattress. Our receiving room, I got Netflix playing on the computer. I had to cover up the window so people won't be looking at me, watching me sleep, all that creepy stuff. The only thing that's gonna get on my nerves is light, probably, but it's fine. Thanks to my coworker who bought me this air mattress, man. It's huge. It's probably about a little bit smaller than my bed. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to stay up and get the snow. Hopefully it does. It better snow. I done stayed up here. It better snow. Better have blizzard, but I needed to melt so I can go. So my coworker can make it so I can go home. Yeah. So I probably will come back. So y'all can see the snow. I'm tired. I want to go to sleep. I wish I can cut this light off, but I can't. But yeah, I took a shower in the physician's lounge. I hated it. It was so small. I wish I could have slept in the conference room because the conference room got a TV, and I bought my Fire Stick, but it's all good. So yeah, I'm about to go to sleep. Y'all have a great night. If you're driving in the snow, if you're in the Birmingham area, be careful. Go home and go to bed if you don't need to be out no way. Good morning. I slept horribly. But it's like 7:15. I just changed to my school. I'm on my way to get me some breakfast. And I guess I'll show y'all outside. Alright, y'all. I'm leaving. It is cold. Oh my gosh. It's so cold. And it's raining. We gonna be alright. We gonna be alright. It's so like kind of dreary. It's a cardboard so that I can scrape the ice off my windshield. I got these. The shoes I got on are probably not meant for snow. Trying to be strategic with my steps. Oh, it's not icy, it's just slushy. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, it is cold. And it's raining. And it's not like raindrops, it's like sprinkling, but it's a little heavier than a sprinkle. I don't know. There you go. I see a car, so most definitely gonna be careful. Is this ice or is it water? It's water. Alright, cool. See, cars right there. Almost there. Turn it on. Wish I would have parked in the parking deck, but whew. I did. Like, look at this, y'all. My car is completely snowed in, so I'm trying to be careful. Put my stuff in. Cardboard. Alright, y'all. I just pulled up to my apartment I'm about to get out. It probably took me about 45 minutes to get home. I probably could have got home a lot quicker, but I was being cautious and being safe. And yeah, people was flying past me. I was like, go ahead, baby. Go ahead. Y'all can't see me. But yeah. So I'm finna go in here. I'm finna get me something to eat. I might walk over to my friend's house. Chill with them for a little while. But I am extremely tired. Tired.